Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to bring you a trade breakdown that I caught on Euro USD last Friday. So, like I said in my other video, the very first thing I want to do, you know what I'm saying, is first of all, I got my higher time frame directional bias, you know what I'm saying? That's very, very important. So you're not just, you know what I'm saying, trading random supply and demand levels, random order blocks, you know what I'm saying, random anything, you know what I'm saying? So first thing I do is I want to see a bearish engulfing on my 15 or 30-minute time frame, right? So I seen that we had this order block right here. So order blocks is also known as supply and demand zones, right? So I seen that there was this order block, but it wasn't a bearish engulfing, you know what I'm saying? So I want to, like, you know what I'm saying? I want my setups to look very, very clean. So this one was like, you know what I'm saying? It was an order block, but it was an bearish engulfing. So I looked at my 30-minute, boom, and then we had the bearish engulfing on the 30-minute. So I did. I took my box and I drew my box from the wick of the blue candle, the smaller candle, the wick of the smaller candle, from wick to wick, right? So I put a sell in it. And also, guys, you want to make sure somewhere in here that there's fair value gap. So you have fair value gap right here. Also known as imbalance. So you want your zones and your order blocks to have imbalance. So there was an imbalance right here. So we drew the box on a 30-minute order block. Let's see if it aligns with the high of the 1 hour. So boom, it aligned with the high of this 1 hour candle, and it also aligned with the high of this 4-hour candle as well, right? So this 4-hour order block. So put a sell limit. So also you want to see before it hits your sell or buy limit, you want to see it grab some type of liquidity. So there was some trend line liquidity right here. And then there was a lot of resistance level leading up to the order block, right? Or also known as the supply zone. So you have resistance, 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 right? So we stopped all the resistance, support and resistance traders out, you know what I'm saying? And then we also grabbed Asia's high, right? So on top of Asia session, there's liquidity on top of Asia session as well, you know what I'm saying? So you wanted to grab liquidity above Asia high, or you know what I'm saying, a double top, a double bottom, Asia's high, trend line liquidity, any support resistance level, or just one structural high. You wanted to grab that and then mitigate into the order block. So it was Friday, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying, I didn't want to hold my trade for too long. So like I said, the average the average duration of these moves, it'd be 1 to 6 risk to reward. So low key, I aim for the bottom of Asia. That's what I aim for. I aim for Asia's liquidity on the bottom. So boom, we tapped into the order block and we got instant rejection. So we got instant rejection and then boom, TP smash. So could have took the 1 to 6, or let's say you wanted to hold for the full move and you wanted to aim for this low. It was Friday, you know what I'm saying? So Friday, they usually say Friday is TP1 Friday. You know what I'm saying? Like you get a trade, you're not trying to hold that for too long. You know what I'm saying? You just take your TP1 and you get out. You know what I'm saying? So if it was like Monday through Thursday, you could either held all the way to this low. You know what I'm saying? You could have held all the way to the low. You could just if you don't want to be too greedy, you know what I'm saying? You could just go for consistent 1 to 6 risk rewards. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Or could have took a partial at 1 to 6, and then you could have left your runner onto the low. So that's what you could have did. But since it was Friday, you know what I'm saying? For some reason, I was like, you know what I'm saying? I'm taking the 1 to 6. It's Friday. I ain't got time to be holding it over the weekend. You know what I'm saying? If it's trying to reverse and do some weird shit, you know what I'm saying? Excuse my language. But I just took my 1 to 6 and I got out. So look what happened after. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We're not trying to do that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to do that. So um there'll be some people in my comments that say I didn't take the trade. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Let's see. Oh wow. Damn, I don't know if we won't be able to see it. Hold up. Hold up. Uh, boom. So you see, I took the trade. Get rid of this crap right here. See, Euro USD, made 6K. So yeah, so that's that. You know what I'm saying? Want the full strategy, you know what I'm saying, with all the rules. So I could guide you step by step, you know what I'm saying? You can hit me up for a one-on-one, you know what I'm saying? Also got my day/swing trader strategy. You trade that less than 20 minutes per day, you know what I'm saying? The link down below. Day/swing trader lifetime. That strategy, I really, really recommend that highly, you know what I'm saying? Even if you're already profitable, even if you're already profitable, I still recommend that strategy, you know what I'm saying? That strategy is a must have. You know what I'm saying? Like once you see what that strategy is, you wouldn't even believe it. You'd be like, yo, this been right in front of my face all these years. And you know what I'm saying? Like I never looked into it like that. You know what I'm saying, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.